ಧೂಳೊಡೆಯದಿರುವುದು ತಾನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯದ ಕಾದ ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ಸವಿ ಮಾತು ಸಲ್ಲಲಿತ ನುಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಂಬರುವುದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬಂಧನ ರಹಿತ ಸುಖ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿಸೈ ಪಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡೆಚ್ಚರಿರಲಿ ಎಂಬ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಠಾಕೂರ್ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅನುವಾದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ದಿನ ಕೊಂಕಣ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ನ ದಿವಂಗತ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಭಂಡಾರ್ಕರ್ ಅವರ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಥಮ PUCಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊರೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮೆದುರು ಮಹನೀಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು, ಅವರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಘನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿಠಲ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ ಅವರು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ನೆಲದ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಂತೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಂತ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ SN ಇವರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆರಂಭಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ, ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ. ಬೇಡಿದ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗ ಭಯವ ಕೊಡುವ, ಬೇಡಿದ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗ ಭಯವ ಕೊಡುವ ಕರುಣಾಳು ಕಾವನಮ್ಮ ಕರಿಬದನ, ಕರುಣಾಳು ಕಾವನಮ್ಮ ಕರಿಬದನ. ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ. ಒಂದು ಕರದಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲವ ಹಿಡಿದಿಹ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಬಲದಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿಹ. ಒಂದು ಕರದಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲವ ಹಿಡಿದಿಹ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಬಲದಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿಹ. ಮುದದಿ ಮೋದಕವ ಸೊಂಡಿಲೊಳಿಟ್ಟು, ಮುದದಿ ಮೋದಕವ ಸೊಂಡಿಲೊಳಿಟ್ಟು ಶರಣಾಗತ ಭಕ್ತರ ಪಾಲಿಪನ. ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ. ಸಕಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಧರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಗುರಿಯ ಇವ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ. ಸಕಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಧರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಗುರಿಯ ಇವ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ. ಪಾವನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇಡಗುಂಜಿಯ ವಾಸ, ಪಾವನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇಡಗುಂಜಿಯ ವಾಸ. ಪಾಲಿಬಾನು ದಿನ ಶರಣು ಸುಪ್ರೀತನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ. ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ ಗಜಮುಖನ ಭಜಿಸು ಗಣನಾಥನ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿದ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ದಿನದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಘನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿಠಲ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ ಅವರು ಮೂಲತಃ ಪಾಡದವರು, ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು, ಮಿತಭಾಷಿಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂತ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಪುಷ್ಪವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ದಿನದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾದಂತ ದೂರದ ರಾಯಚೂರಿನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿವೇದಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ರಾಯಚೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಮಾನ್ವಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಗಿರಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ 1972ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣಂ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೇಷಾರತ್ನಂ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡನೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರೈತಾಪಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೌಢ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ರಾಯಚೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ PTA ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ನಂತರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಿಪ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ 18 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಪ್ರೋ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಅಮೆರಿಕ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್, ಮಲೇಷಿಯಾ, ತೈವಾನ್ ಮುಂತಾದ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು. ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೂ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವರು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿನ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ದೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರು. ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಚರಿಸಿದ ಅವರು ತಾಯ್ನಾಡಾದ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಿಂದ ವಿಪ್ರೋ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ನೀಡಿ ಬೀದರ್ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿ ರೈತರ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದರು. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಯುವಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸೂಚನೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಅವರು ಯುವಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣರ ಬೋಧನೆಗಳು, ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ತತ್ವಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತೆ ಶಾರದಾ ದೇವಿಯವರ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳು ಯುವ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮನದಟ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 30ನೇ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಾದ ಯಾದಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ವಿಕಸನ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಯುವಕರ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿಠಲ್ ನಾಯ್ಕರವರು ಪುಷ್ಪವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಈ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸುಜಾತ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಪುಷ್ಪವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಂತ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಉಪ್ಪಿಂಡ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಪುಷ್ಪವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ, ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂತಹ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳನ್ನ, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಪಾಲಕರುಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಂತೆ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಜಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
It's your program. Please come.
ಐದು ಮಂದಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
Take one more photo and a photo number.
ದೀಪವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದಂತ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾದ ನೀರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲವಾದ ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಬೀಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತರಂಗದ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾವೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ಮಾನವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಹಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನ ಬಾಧಿಸಿದೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾದಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಕಬಂಧ ಭಾವಗಳು ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸಿ ಚಲ್ಲಾಪಿಲ್ಲಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯತ್ತ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೊರೋನಾದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತನ್ನ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂವಹನವನ್ನ ಸಂಪರ್ಕವನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂತು ಅಥವಾ ಮುನ್ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷನೋಟ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಪಿಪಿಟಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾದರಪಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂತ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಉಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸವಿಬೇಕು.
Morning all. Hoping all parents and students are properly getting a voice. Once again, all the parents, students, and all the dignitaries, and my dear colleagues, and my lovely students. Once again, I will welcome you to this oriented program. It's a great opportunity for me and a proud privilege for me to explain or to give the truth fact to all my parents and students that till today, last 3 months, till this day, what we have done. Let me show with what all the evidences through PowerPoint presentation now. We Vidyapi Academy in association with what Saraswati View College, Kumta, we all heartily welcome you to this PowerPoint presentation. Vidyapi Academy has serious concern, especially in pure education for science stream. We have got vision and mission also. Without vision, so no one will get what success in their life. So we also started the vision. So our vision is nothing but vision with learning. In detail, Vidyapi believes the success of our teammates drives the success of our students. This is reflected in our ongoing commitment in creating an environment focused on equality, inclusion, empowerment, and respect. Overall, students' achievement will be our great success and it's our victory also. And we all together making the same. So now this is our vision. So once to achieve the vision now, we again set the mission also. Let me give few things about mission. It's not enough here. We are doing more than that also. With the setup of an establishment with morals and ethics, to groom the students to attain the complete personality to face the future, empowering students to be passionate in learning, teaching through modern technological support that you all see online. We are teaching not only online, even though we are teaching offline also. Those students who are willing to attain offline, for them sincerely we are doing online also. Even it is difficult for our faculties. They used to what rush to what the building again to conduct what online classes. Really thankful to what all my team teaching without the team. And moreover, we have covered all academic related curricular material for better study at home. Faculties begin with both objective and subjective classes. As you know that competitive is the part of our this new competitive world. So we are making both subjective as well as objective teaching classes. Analysis done through continuous examination on boards and competitive. Mentoring with special attention to each student to make them updated. I hope all the students well known about their parents. Many times our mentors, nothing but your faculty only call you many times to take utmost care about your progress in your education. So I'm very much proud to introduce my team Vidatri. Though you knew it's my honest what care to what explain about what our team. The proud team Vidatri with management and administrator Mr. Gurudar Shetty. Let me once I will make them to show you once. Please just uh, please, please the godfather for all the team who is helping like anything to us. And moreover, principal, me only standing in front of you, and my name is Mahesh Shivanand Murthy. In the all the vision and mission are taken sincerely and considered, even though I have taken involvement in teaching also, along with what is coaching now. Let me introduce all those subject faculties, the powerful physics, Mr. Vinay Rajshekhar, please stand up. Not only the Vinay Rajshekhar, again we have got one more shoulder for powerful physics again, Mr. Padmanabh Prabhu. I think all the students are promoted. Now the time to introduce colorful chemistry. So we have got Mr. Prasanna GS, who is the senior most promoting. And Nisha P. Today she is unable to come, but however she is also equally helping the chemistry. Now mathematics, again it's me, Mahesh. Yes, I have got one more great support, dynamic personality, Deepak P9. May I ask you what? Again, finally, the beautiful biology. I think students are really enjoying the practicals, starting with biology. Not yet started now. Hoping we will start with the beautiful things only. Now let me introduce Dr. Girard Dinesh, who is the senior most of law, and we are taking from Akash Academy also. And equally important, Mr. Deepeshwar T. Harikar, who successfully completed about 2 times for next research. And moreover, very honest and humble personality, computer science, Mr. Gururaj S. Shetty, is also with you. Not only the teaching faculty, we have got more support from our Vice Principal Madam. She is available here, Srimati Sujata G. Hegde. For mother care of everyone. She is always taking part in all the things. And Kannada, just now we are seeing anchoring by Sri Ivana Kandale. He is very good in making all those Kannada things effectively. Sanskrit, Sri Arvind Shanbag, might be he is going to come, maybe like 15 minutes will be available. Again, I will not introduce him now. And Hindi, Srimati Jayalakshmi Nair, she is here only. She is standing back there. English, Srimati Pradana Sheikh, who welcomed you in the beginning at the roadside. She was the English lecturer and she is really good in making effective English lecturing also. And not the least, yet we have got more support from non-teaching staff also. So accounts and front office, Srimati Nayak, and you met her in the front of the door side. And system admin, whatever we are looking now, he is sitting here only. Mr. Nitesh M. is there. as it's very important that we will have what perfect study with what all the study materials. So well known about all these things. Early we have given all the study materials to PUC first year also and PUC second year also. I hope students are enjoying those open minds PCMB. Around a set of 8 books already you have received, and not only the subjective, even you have received impressive PCMB a set of about 16 books also. Not only these, again others books, textbooks, practical notebooks, all these things already you have received, I hope. And second year the same thing we have given. Let me explain about other things about whatever we have given. Let me give the main thing about what academics now. As our anchor was telling that really it is a tough situation to all. The whole world is facing what pandemic problem due to COVID-19. So Vidyaarthi team stood strongly with the rock stand. Vidyaarthi team started online classes with perfect setup of all the electronic gadgets and online things also. Let me give how we have done online. Through online classes, continuously students taken care about their understanding and given practice of many tests and assignments. So we understanding the need of offline classes without the academy again started coaching classes for all willing students, and simultaneously online classes are also conducted without any compromise. The way support given by parents motivated us to conduct all these offline classes. I'm very much thankful to parents. You have given a great support to us, so we are successfully doing that. And it is a very important part of learning. Without examination, no one will understand that how the concept is understood by students. And it is about the perfect understanding for teaching faculty also. Students, how much they are grasping all those things, whatever we got. Offline subjective exams, every fortnight subjective board related offline exams are conducted. Successfully, we conducted about 3 offline tests. Objective, every second fortnight need related offline exams we are planning to conduct for first year. Probably January we got getting those offline objective tests. Successfully we conducted 2 offline objective tests for what second year students, and from January 2021 the same will be applied for first year also. So the reason we are conducting every weekend 2 days, Friday and Saturday. Sincerely, we are taking about purely competitive coaching. I think students are bringing those materials also on particular day, and they are enjoying it. I think. The result sent to parents through Vidyaarthi app. I think all the parents are getting the students' result, the board result. I hope that sincerely you are seeing all those. Now, it's very important part. However, parents will take care of their wards. I hope that it is not sufficient. So we started again as if the parent caring by our faculties only, mentoring we are doing, teaching faculties taken sole responsibility of mentoring of students. Soon after every offline and online subjective and objective test, teaching staff call individually each student and the parent to know their progress and help them out in their studies. Many students, many parents might have got calls from our faculties. I hope continuously students are taken promises to perform better than the previous test. The students, please be aware that mentoring simply not telling you. Mentoring will ask you that how much will score for the next upcoming exam. You have to give the promises that you are going to score more in the next exam. Labs. Certainly will begin labs in the February, but already we started about for second year now. Even in pandemic situation, every day batch of 20 students done with practical labs provided food and transportation for second year students now. Once the offline class starts here also, then UC first students also having the lab. For first year practical labs will begin from February 2021, and students will be guided how to write their record books of every experiment in detail. We without the academy taken sole responsibility of day-to-day academic progress and utmost care of students' that you all see. You are the witnesses that how much really we are giving the things better for the education of our your wards, and your students also well known about that. See, these are our upcoming plans. Till these days, what we have done, I have explained now. Now, upcoming days, what we are going to do, that I am giving here now. Midterm examination, February 2021. Students, please get away now. It is almost all like what annual exam. From 1st February 2021 to 4th February 2021, all the core subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, along with what objective we are conducting. Mention the time now, even though we put what in the group also, need not to worry. The same thing will be again sent throughout our group messages also. This is what midterm examination that we are going to have in February. Now, offline classes, purely offline, we are hoping not that we have got any central information from our department. Then too, already we have prepared how to begin offline classes. Offline classes planned with for standard timetable will be coming from 1st of January 2021, and timetable will be posted in the group on 31st December 2020. See, need not to worry that this month end or this year end, you are going to get what? At all timetable, how we are going to begin offline classes in the same grading. Preparatory exams along with objective exams will be conducted in the month of March also. Means we simply planned, not that we have well known about what when the government will what conduct what the annual exam, but we only planned it could be what possible in the month of what April they may want organize what annual exams. So beginning with what ending when we planned these things, that how we can make our students what get prepared to face effectively the annual exam. So we are continuously series wise we conduct what preparatory exams, not only preparatory, even objective exams also get conducted. Board exams will be conducted as per the department circular. If any competitive portion is pending, we are not allowing them to what pending also. Then too, if it is what pending, by the end of what your board exam, again will what begin the competitive teaching also. Thank you very much, all the parents and students. See, once we are going to start the offline classes in the campus now, these are the few terms and conditions that we all got respecting, and according to the system, we have to go. I request sincerely all the parents and students, please get known about these terms and conditions. Students should be punctual and regular according to college timetable with complete uniform. See, without uniform, don't enter the campus. Discipline is very important. ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Must complete all writing works given by the lectures. I'm happy about what UC first students they are working. No doubt. Mobiles are strictly prohibited. If found, will not be returned back. Parents, please get aware that whatever you feel that is necessary, then too we are requesting you. Whenever you would like to contact your wards, you better use what our college telephone number. It will be available throughout the working hours. Don't give the mobile gadgets to what your wards. Even though afterward giving all these conditions, if you are sending with mobiles, that will not be given back. So again, we should not have any jagging regarding the mobile. It affects a lot to the students. Students are not allowed to bring their bikes to the college campus. I have noticed, especially few students are very good in riding bikes also, not only bikes, they are very good in what riding four-wheelers also. And I am not so good in that. But I will take training by you only, but not now. Please get what adult, once you got license now, please teach me how to ride even four-wheelers also. But as it now, don't bring two-wheeler or four-wheeler, right? Parents are allowed, but students are not allowed in this thing. Students who found with misconducting, misbehaving are condemned with warnings followed by apology letter. If repeated, will be suspended, and rare will be written PC. But I never hope that our students are very good. They never allow us to do these kind of situations. May I agree that all students will not get to that kind of point? Raise the hands now. How many are really will not come into that point? Only few. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And during practical, students must attend labs with apron, dissection box, record book, as per the instruction given by the subject lecturer. Students should carry the study materials as instructed by the subject lecturers without any excuses. Must follow the suggestions given by the mentors. It's very important. Why? Because mentoring not simply is given. Really, it's a burden to what our faculties. They will teach, they will prepare, they will make everything. Again, they will call you. They will take utmost care of you. Please try to understand. They will ask you about your studies also, about the classes also. Anything you are not understand, wherever you have found any difficulties, without any hesitation, please share with what all your what feelings with what our mentors. Mentors really are meant to help you anything. Right? No? Please take best advantage of what mentoring. And whenever our mentors will give suggestion, without any fail, you have to follow it. Student must attend extra study hours, which will be conducted as per the necessity of students' progress. Whenever we are not satisfied that our students are not doing good in studies, then we'll take what extra hardship ourselves and will conduct what extra study hours also. Whomso or we feel these students are not doing good in the studies, for them we will call them to the what college. Again, we will conduct study hours. I need support from the faculties and our parents also and students also. Hoping our parents will help whenever we are asking them to send their wards for further extra study hours. Attendance is mandatory for all the tests and exams conducted by colleges. During tests, during any exam now, make sure that you should not take any leave. Why? Because only that is the one chance you can understand that how better you understood the concept. There is only one chance for us also, for parents also, that how much our children